Today we're going to be unboxing a new model. This model is courtesy of the RC Elf. You know who you are. Thank you very much indeed for giving this model to me. It's a wonderful gift and it's lovely to receive such a lovely model to the channel. This model is a model that I've always wanted. It's been one that I've had my eye on for quite some time. This model that we're going to be unboxing is going to be the wonderful Mercedes G-Wagon on the CC-02 chassis. This is a really good update chassis to the cross-country chassis, the original one being the CC-01. They launched this new CC-02 chassis on this Mercedes bodywork. I am aware that Tamiya are producing another body on here, on this new chassis, the CC-02 chassis. I believe it's the Land Rover that's coming out shortly. So that'll be quite an interesting bodywork to have on the same chassis as this. So yeah, this is a new chassis. Again, RC Elf, thank you very, very much indeed for donating this to my channel. It's much appreciated. Okay, so on this wonderful chassis, we've got this fabulous G-Wagon from Mercedes-Benz. Everyone is aware of the Mercedes G Class, a very, very high specification vehicle in the Mercedes portfolio, and something of a bit of a status symbol in its Mercedes attempt to provide this four-wheel drive chassis system with a luxury in mind. So Tamiya have replicated that, and this body looks absolutely amazing. I think you'll agree the detail on here looks really, really good. So looking forward to getting this model. Also, what I've also done here for this model is I've managed again to, at the same time as having this model donated to my channel by RC Elf, I've also had the upgraded bearing kit, and this model also comes with the light unit, the TLU-01 light unit. So it does have quite a few features as standard, so we're going to have some fun with the lighting and bodywork. The chassis itself is an upgraded chassis from the CC-01. This is going to the sort of ladder style frame chassis here, with your shock absorbers at each corner, which is quite nice to see, and a standard 540 motor, which can be upgraded to a better motor with your ESC, and I believe the ESC is going to be the TBLE 04S. So yeah, this is an unboxing. Let's have a look and see what's inside the box. When you open the box, this is what you are greeted with. That great polycarbonate body that we have to paint, wheels and tyres. I'll have to do the obligatory sniff test on those later. You do have that TLU-01 unit with the LEDs and the adapters there, which we may have to change because I've got Tamiya adapters here, so I may have to change those to my different adapters because I've got different connectors. But you then get underneath the bodywork and the tyres there. There we have the it's going to be your speed controller. You get that too. Yeah, this is what you're greeted with when you take the lid off the box. And of course I've upgraded to the bearings, which is an option extra, which I did at the time. So let's get these components out of the box and get them onto the table, just so we can have a look. I think you'll agree, with all the components out of the box, you have a very comprehensive kit here. So starting with your polycarbonate Lexan body, you have your bags, A, B, C, D, etc. for your parts and your screws and fixings. You've got your various chassis members, front and rear support systems, your axles, front and rear, You have various components for the suspension system, body components for the bodywork. Look at those lovely shiny grille systems and lights buckets. Oh wow, they look good. And that Mercedes emblem there. You get the tyres, which we'll do the sniff test later. Those lovely gold plated wheels. I thought I might have to paint them, but I don't think I will. Look at those, they're lovely. Speed controller, light unit, and of course you get the instruction manual for the light unit. You get the Mercedes G-Wagon instructions for the CC-02, and of course decals is mainly geared to providing the details, these black and gold details here. So that's what the decals seem to be, more subtle, which is quite nice. I think it's going to be quite interesting. I might try and do some of these areas that require the black with painting as opposed to using the decal. So wish me luck on that, because there's going to be lots of masking of areas that I don't want in that lovely bright metallic colour, the bright gunmetal, which is the body colour. So I think I might try and do that black areas myself. Saves me putting decals. Decals I always find hard to put on. And of course you do get the window masks, because it's being more of a modern Tamiya. You get the window masks, so that's really, really nice to have and really helpful to have. Wonderful, what a wonderful kit. Thank you so much again, RCL, for donating this great kit to my channel and to my personal collection. That's very, very, very generous of you, and really do appreciate your help. Wonderful, wonderful guardian to YouTube channel. Like I can't say thank you enough. But yeah, there we are. So that's the kit. We're going to need to put this back in the box for a moment and work my way systematically through the instructions. And of course, as this is a kit I've not done before, I'm going to have a good look at the instructions first. But there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, the wonderful Mercedes G500 on the CC-02 chassis, courtesy of RCL. Thank you.